Are you tired of the never-ending cycle of financial stress and living paycheck to paycheck as I was? Or have you been laid off and find yourself living off the last of your savings, or even have no money at all? Well, this is where I found myself 16 months ago, so I know how it feels. You see, I was in a job that paid a six-figure salary, but I had lived a lifestyle that consumed it all, so I was broke, and then I was laid off. At times like these, you have to really take stock of life. I was desperate and in need. I have posted videos on the channel about the strategy I used to get out of this situation, and I'll put a link to it at the bottom of this video in the description box. And I've also created step-by-step videos of ways to make passive incomes online. In this video, I'm going to talk about something that was pivotal and extremely important in helping me overcome my desperate situation. I make these videos to show you real ways of how to make money, whether it be a regular daily income, making money online, or passive income, and to find tried and tested methods that will increase your financial well-being. If you're interested in making multiple incomes, then hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell to be notified of future videos. Now let's go. So do you find yourself constantly worrying about how to break free from the grip of being broke? If so, you're not alone. Many people face these same challenges, and that includes me, but the good news is that there's a way out. Firstly, you must want to break free from being broke, and secondly, realise that it will take some time and some effort to get out. There's an old saying, if you continue to do the same things over and over again, you will end up with the same outcome. To stop being broke, you have to draw a line in the sand and seriously decide that you want to do things differently and change the outcome. The desired outcome here is to no longer be broke, but achieve financial freedom. This won't happen overnight, but starting to do things differently can bring results sooner than you think, and then it becomes about seeing it through to the very end. Let's delve into 5 essential themes that can help you turn your financial situation around and pave the path to a brighter future. Theme 1, change the money thing. I found that I had to stop and take stock of what I was doing with my money and how I could cut costs and start being smart with my spending. Depending on where you are, you will need to do the same and possibly be ruthless about it. However, the focus must be on stopping the bleed of money to things that won't help you get out of being broke. Firstly, implement budgeting basics. Create a budget of incomings and outgoings so that you can see exactly what is going on. Then trim off all the fat. Have you ever looked at your spending and thought, what's all this stuff? Be ruthless and identify those expenses that are not critical, then give them the boot. I had to strip everything back to just the very essentials and find ways to spend less on them, like buying food on offer and cutting out the treats. Also, do things differently. For example, get rid of expensive car payments and get a cheaper car with no finance. That's exactly what I did to reduce outgoings. This then opens the opportunity to redirect funds from non-essential items to savings and investments, and the investments are not only ones like the stock market, but might be investment in yourself to upskill so that you can make more money. It's like planting seeds of your financial garden. Theme 2, your time is what you can sell. You know that saying, time is money? Well, it's true. Your time is a valuable resource, and realising its worth is the first step to starting to turn things around. You can either sell your time for cash in a job, or you can use it to build your own income streams, and passive ones at that. Just the same like you can dwindle and lose money, so it is with time. When things are tough, then you have to treat your time even more preciously and look after it properly, prioritising how you spend it differently. For example, instead of watching TV on an evening, I took 4 hours a night to learn new skills that I could both sell and at the same time, skills I could apply to making money online. Invest your time in learning and self-improvement. The more skills you acquire and develop your competence, then the more you can charge for them. The skills are your superpowers. As well as applying them to your own business, use platforms like Upwork or Fiverr to sell your talents and build a freelance income. In the day, I looked for opportunities to turn my time into cash. There are lots of ways to earn extra money, such as finding free things that you can sell for cash, flipping items that you bought and selling them for a profit, taking things you don't use and selling them. If you have a car, driving for Uber, or even become a delivery driver for Uber Eats. The opportunities are endless. It's all about having the mindset to do something. Do you have a favourite hobby? Why not turn it into a money-making venture? Your hobbies could be the key to financial success. For example, I did this with photography. I looked for more than one way to make money from photography. Finally, protect your precious time. Guard against time suckers and energy drainers. Setting boundaries of what you will not allow yourself to get pulled into ensures you're using your time wisely and sticking to your goals. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. Keep at it, stay committed, and watch your financial future bloom. Theme 3. Make sacrifices and get more for your time. I have a family, and when the going was getting really tough, my wife suggested that we would change things around and split the roles we had differently. Historically, we had shared the jobs like cleaning, shopping, gardening, etc. But now she suggested that I focus on bringing money into the house, and she would pick up the household jobs to give me more time to focus on making the much needed cash. This is a good approach. For you to agree to roles with your family members and who is going to do what, in order that you can maximise your time. Set yourself some goals to achieve by a certain time, then laser focus on achieving them. Yes, it will mean having to put the hours in, and yes, there will be distractions, but insist on meeting your goals and make sure that those around you know why you are doing this. For example, on one occasion, I set myself some steep goals and insisted that I meet them, even when there were really tough timescales. I remember working until 1 o'clock in the morning to achieve that particular goal. That goal was one part of a bigger plan, and I didn't want my plan to get dragged out. I had made an agreement with my family that needs must, and I needed to focus on earning money so we wouldn't lose the house. So remember, making sacrifices today can lead to financial freedom tomorrow. It's about making choices that align with your goals and values, even if it means skipping that fancy dinner or missing a night out. But keep your eyes on the prize and the rewards will come. Theme 4. Investing in increasing your skills. You are your most valuable asset, and like any asset, you need investment and nurturing. Think of this as your financial self-improvement plan. But how do you do that? I mean, there is a lot of misinformation out there. First things first, figure out which skills are in demand and align with your interests and goals. Once you have an idea of the skills you are going to develop, then just like with fitness, set specific goals for skill development. You want to learn a new language, master coding, or learn how to make videos for YouTube, or even how to build an affiliate marketing business. Write them down and build out a plan of how you're going to develop these skills and by when. But also be clear about how you're going to monetize those skills. Education is your playground. Explore courses, workshops, online classes and books that can help you level up your skills. YouTube has some great content too, but be careful. Make sure you research that you are going to legitimately upskill and not spend money on some scam or get rich quick scheme. A really important strategy is to not limit yourself to just one skill. Think about how your new skills can complement each other, making you a well-rounded money-making machine and able to focus your skills on specific businesses and niches. And remember, your newfound skills are supposed to boost your income or career prospects. It's not just about learning, it's about earning. Theme 5. Tenacity. Ever heard the saying, when the going gets tough, the tough get going? Well, it's true. Tenacity is all about rolling up your sleeves and pushing through challenges. There will be challenges, no doubt about it, but it is how you approach them that will make the difference. See a challenge as an opportunity to learn. Make sure you emotionally detach yourself from it, then break it down into bite-sized chunks and overcome it one step at a time. Climb over the mountain step by step, planning your route, as opposed to just trying to jump over the mountain in one go and falling. Financial success often comes with a learning curve. Don't be discouraged by mistakes, see them as opportunities to grow. This is where your goals are important. They are like guiding stars that will chart your route. Even when the path gets foggy, keep your eyes on them and stay committed, because the road to success is rarely a straight line. It's more like a winding river. Persistence keeps you moving forward even when the waters get rough. Your attitude will make all the difference. A positive mindset can help you conquer challenges and keep pushing forward. When I faced financial problems that didn't seem to have a solution, those around me found it going tough, but I dug in and refused to watch my life unravel. I looked at the goal and pushed even harder. Tenacity is your secret weapon on this journey. It's what separates those who achieve their financial dreams from those who don't. Keep going, keep believing in yourself, and remember that the view from the top is worth every uphill battle you face. So to conclude, getting from broke to being free won't always be smooth sailing. There will be financial storms, detours, and the occasional "are we there yet?" moments. But remember, it's all part of the adventure, and the key is to keep pressing on. This video has been about making some changes to your approach to getting out of being broke, and like my own journey, you'll find that the mindset to make these changes is crucial. Having the right mindset and an effective strategy will help you break the clutches of financial bondage. Below in the comments I've put a link to a video that covers my strategy after I was laid off, and hopefully this will help inform your approach. I hope you've got some value from today's video, and I'll see you in the next video.